Hello everyone, welcome to Being Mathematician. In this video, we are going to solve this 24 hours challenge by proper analysis. So without any further delay, let's start the solution. At first, we have to join the centers of the circles. So this is O, this is P, and this was is Q. So now let's join BO and SP. Now join QT. Now let's cut the equal length of SP from BO and let this is W. Now join W and P. So in quadrilateral BWPS, BW is equal to SP by construction and BW is parallel to SP since BS is the tangent and this is radius, so this angle must be 90 degree. Both angles are 90 degree. So therefore BWPS is a parallelogram. Now in this parallelogram, two angles, that is WBS and BSP is 90 degree. So BWPS is a rectangle. So WO must be the difference between the radius of blue circle and red circle, and that is BO minus BW. So BO is 9 centimeter and BW is 4 centimeter, and that will be 5 centimeter. So W is 5 centimeter. And OP must be the sum of the radius of blue and red circle, that is OL plus LP, and it is 9 plus 4, 13 centimeter. Therefore, in triangle POW, angle PWO is 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, PW square equal to PO square minus WO square. So PO is 13 centimeter and WO is 5 centimeter. So PW is root over 13 square minus 5 square, and it will be 169 minus 25. So it must be 144, and it is 12 centimeter. So we know that PW is equal to the tangent BS, so it is 12 centimeter. Now, same as before, we have to cut the equal length of TQ from VO, and let it is N, and TQ from SP, let it is M. Now join NQM. So let the radius of yellow circle, that means smallest circle, be x. Therefore TQ equal to Vn equal to Sm equal to x centimeter. Now Vn is equal to TQ and Vn is parallel to TQ. Since this angle is 90 and this angle also is 90, so Vn QT is a parallelogram. And since angle NVT is equal to angle VTQ is 90, so VNQT is a rectangle. Now consider this triangle. In triangle NOQ, angle ONQ is equal to 90 degree. So NQ is equal to root over OQ square minus ON square. So it is root over OQ is 9 plus x whole square minus ON is 9 minus x whole square. So now it is simplifies as 4 into 9 into x. Here we apply the formula, that is a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. Applying this formula here we get this. So it must be 6 root x centimeter. We keep this result. So by the same concept we can say TQMS is a rectangle. So consider this triangle QMP So in triangle QMP, angle QMP is 90 degree. This angle 90 degree. So applying the theorem of Pythagoras, we can say QM square is equal to hypotenuse, that is QP square minus PM square. Now QP is the sum of the radius of red circle and the radius of yellow circle. Red circle is 4 and yellow circle x as assumed. So 4 plus x whole square minus PM square. PM means PS minus SM. That means the difference of the radii of red circle and yellow circle. So it will be 4 minus x whole square. Now applying the same formula, a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square, we get 4 into x. So QM is must be root over 4 into 4 x, and that is 4 root x. And we know that QM is equal to TS, so it is TS equal to QM equal to 4 root x. We note this result. So by the old result, we can say Vt plus Ts equal to Vs. So Vt, we have 6 root x, and Ts is 4 root x equal to Vs is 12. So that is 10 root x equal to 12. So root x equal to 12 by 10, 2, 6 and 2, 5. So x must be square of 6 by 5. Therefore x is 36 by 25 and it is 1.44 approximate. So we got the radius of yellow circle, that means the smallest circle in the figure, and that is 1.44 centimeter. Now consider the triangle NOQ. In triangle NOQ, that means this triangle, this angle is 90 degree. So sine angle NOQ is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse, that is NQ by OQ. Now we know that NQ is six root x by OQ. OQ is sum of the radii of yellow circle and blue circle, and it is 9 plus x. Now we have the value of x, and putting this 6 into root over 1.44 by 9 plus 1.44. So it is 180 by 261. So sine angle NOQ is 180 by 261. So it is 0.6896. So angle NOQ is approximate 43.60 degree by trigonometric table, we remember this result. So, clearly, in triangle NOQ, angle OQN is 90 degree minus 43.60. So, it is 46.40 degree. So, now we have angle BQT, and that is this angle is 46.40 degree plus 90 degree, since NQT is 90. So it must be 136.4 degree. Now let's find out the area of our required region, that is this yellow region. So this yellow shaded region must be the trapezium BOQT minus the sector BOB minus the sector BQT. Means this sector and this sector. So the area of trapezium BOQT is half into sum of parallel sides. Here parallel sides is BO and QT. So BO plus QT into height is BT minus the area of sector BOB is 43.6 by 360 into 3.14 into 9 square, that is the radius of blue circle, minus the area of BQT is 136.4 divided by 360 into 3.14 into 1.44 square. So now putting the value of BO, and it is 9, that is the radius of blue circle, plus QT means the radius of yellow circle, so it is 1.44 into BT. We have BT, that is 36 by 5, minus this calculation must be 30.8034 approximately, and another calculation is 2.4669 approximately. Now let's do this calculation, and it is 37.584 and minus 30.8034 minus 2.4669. So it must be 4.3136. Now after approximation we get 4.31 4 centimeter square. So now it is approximate 4.32 centimeter square. Let's consider that this is 4.32 centimeter square, and we have to note down this result. Now let's consider this triangle PMQ. So in triangle PMQ, angle PMQ is 90 degree. So we can say sine angle QPM is equal to QM by QP, perpendicular by hypotenuse, and it is 24 by 5 by 36 by 25, that means 1.44 plus 4. So it must be 15 by 17. This is the simplified result of this. So sine angle QPM is this. So angle QPM is must be 61.9275 by trigonometric table, and it is approximately 61.93 degree. So QPM is 61.93 degree. This angle now we can find the another angle, and that is PQM in the triangle, and which is 90 degree minus 61.93 degree, and it must be 28.07 degree. Now we can calculate the angle TQP, which is the sum of these two angles, is 90 degree plus angle 28.07, and finally we got 118.07 degree. Now let's find out our required white shaded region, means this. So white shaded region is equal to trapezium TQPS minus the sector TQC minus the sector CPS. Let's see. Means this sector and this sector. Now the area of trapezium TQPS is half into sum of parallel sides, that is PQ plus PS, into the height, here it is TS, minus the area of sector TQC is angle TQC is divided by 360 into 3.14 into 1.44 square, that is the radius of smallest circle, yellow circle. Now let's find out the area of sector CPS, and this is angle CPS by 360 into 3.14 into the radius of red circle is 4, so 4 square. Now TQ means the radius of smallest circle, and that is 1.44, plus PS. PS means the radius of red circle, that is 4, and TS is already, we have 24 by 5, minus TQC is 118.07 divided by 360 into 3.14 into 1.44 square, minus angle CPS is 61.93 divided by 360 into 3.14 into 4 square. Now let's simplify this. We get 13.056 minus, this is simplifies as 2.13546, and this is simplifies as 8.64268. Now after full calculation we get 2.27786, which is approximately, we consider 2.28 centimeter square. We note this result. Now let's consider this triangle OQP. So in triangle OQP, OQ is must be OB plus BQ, and it is 9 plus 1.44, and it is 10.44 centimeter. Now QP is must be CQ plus CP, where C is this point, now we got CQ is 1.44 and CP is 4, so 5.44 centimeter. Now OP is must be OL plus LP, and it is 9 plus 4 and must be 13 centimeter. Now let's remember these three sides. So by cosine law we get cos angle QOP is equal to QO square plus OP square minus QP square divided by 2 into QO into OP. Now putting this values, we get 10.44 square plus 13 square minus 5.44 square divided by 2 into 10.44 into 13. and it is approximately 0.915100. So, by the trigonometric table, we get QOP is 23.78 degree approximately. Now, apply cosine law again, we get cos angle QPO is equal to QP square plus PO square minus OQ square whole divided by 2 into QP into PO. Now, putting the value of these sides, we get 5.44 square plus 13 square minus 10.44 square divided by 2 into 5.44 into 13. So, the simplified value is approximately 0.633519. So, by trigonometric table, we get QPO is nearly 50.69 degree. Therefore, the angle OQP is must be 180 degree minus 50.69 degree plus 23.78 degree. Since we know that the sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degree, now this result will be 105.53 degree. Approximately, the value of this angle is this. Now, let's find out this green shaded region. So, the green shaded region must be triangle OPQ minus sector LOB minus sector CPL minus sector BQC. That means this sector, and this sector. Now let's calculate the area of this triangle, and this is 1 by 2 means half into OP into OQ into sine angle QOP minus sector LOB is equal to angle LOB divided by 360 into 3.14 into 9 square minus sector CPL means angle CPL by 360 into 3.14 into 4 square minus the sector BQC. The sector BQC is must be angle BQC by 360 into 3.14 into 1.44 square. Now let's find out the value of this part, and it is half into OP. OP is must be 13 into OQ. OQ is 10.44 into sine 23.78 degree minus LOB. Angle LOB is 23.78 by 360 into 3.14 into 9 square minus angle CPL is 50.69, so it is by 360 into 3.14 into 4 square minus angle BQC is 105.53 divided by 360 into 3.14 into 1.44 square. Now it is simplified as 27.3629 minus 16.800 minus 7.074 minus 1.909. Now this whole simplification result as 1.5799, which is approximate 1.58 centimeter square. Now note this result. Now let's calculate the ratio of yellow shade is to white shade is to green shade. Now we got the area of yellow shade is approximate 4.32 centimeter square, and the area of white shade we got 2.28 approximate, and green shade is 1.58 centimeter square approximate. Now cancel out this decimals, we get 432 is to 228 is to 158. Now simplifying this ratio, we get 216 is to 114 is to 79. Now it is our answer of this 24 hours challenge. Yes, this solution contains so many applications of trigonometry, mensuration and geometry. So please watch it again and again with full concentration to understand this completely. You can share your experience about the solution in comments of this video. If you like this solution, then don't forget to like the video, and you have to share this kind of video with your friends and companions. So stay well and stay with us.